Good morning, Wraith here. This is finals week, and so we got Ryan and myself here and Matt, and we're going to do the demonstration on the pan tilt and the GUI real quick. So Ryan here has the hand controller in his hand that he's going to control the pan tilt with. So we expected to have our coupled camera system where we have a camera here and in the back, but the damaged two motors for the payload unit and testing and putting it all together. So we won't be able to demonstrate the coupled camera system, but we have it implemented in code, and we'll show the basic implementation of how it works in the report. But today I'm going to at least show you the commander's camera, how it functions, and then some of the GUI functionality in the hand controller. So you have your standard IP webcam right there because that was free. A Lightwear laser rangefinder on top. It's good out to 50 meters. This is hooked up through 5-volt serial straight to the PSOC microcontroller and the electronics box there. The two elevation motor and the azimuth motor are connected to a RoboClaw motor controller, which is all the wires coming out of it. So it provides power and encoder inputs communicated back to the Cypress microcontroller. I know it looks like a mess, but it works. And so right now, and there's also a red laser diode to show as basically as a designator. The diode used to be on the payload mount to show where the payload was positioned relative to the commander and the GUI, but since we don't have a payload camera, this is what we got now. So come back and show you over here a little bit so we can see the joystick and you moving the stick and the camera moving. Moves right, moves up, whoa, a little high, get some air, next down. So it's very controllable. Right now we're using the advanced packet mode with the camera, so everything we send to it has a CRC16 validation with it, and right now we're giving it speed, direction, acceleration commands. And so now we'll show you the GUI with my beautiful face and the laser on it.
Let me move this.
Yeah, let's move that. All right, so on the left, if I can focus on it, you have the compass that shows the heading of the vehicle relative to north. So right now we're facing west, which is true. On main video in the center, on the right, you have a connection status up top where you have GPS time, latitude, longitude, roll and pitch, speed, miles an hour, laser rangefinder distance of 3.4 meters, our manual e-stop on the GUI, and then the battery percentage on the bottom, out of a range of 44 volts to 50 volts. So, and if Ryan wants to move the camera without blinding me with the laser, you can kind of see the latency really isn't that bad. It's probably half of a second. It's pretty good. So we're pretty happy with it. Andrew did a good job with the GUI. Ryan did a good job with the camera controls. John put the pan tilt unit together. None of us being mechanical engineers, he did a pretty good job of getting us an assembly that works, that holds everything we need. And so we're pretty happy with it. Worked well at Capstone. People were relatively impressed. And thank you very much.